Hello, Clear Scraps fans. I'm excited to share with you. We have a brand new release today. This is July 1st, 2018. These are already on the website, so you definitely can take a look at it. So we have these brand new journaling albums. They're 6.5 by 8.5, and the best part is that they will hold your standard A5 planner size papers or refills, so it fits really easily with this type of layout, or you can create your own. So these are really fun. They are laser cut 1/8 inch birch. As you can see, they come with 2 pages here, front and back. You can take and you can stain these, you can paint these, you can leave them raw, you can cover them with paper. Really, the sky's the limit with these. These are going to be a lot of fun to create with. And so let's get started. Let's show you our first brand new 9 designs. We've got Write Your Story. We have Journey. I think this one's going to be a fun one to do. Then we have this great palm tree one. Look at the details on that palm tree. Wouldn't that make a fun mini album for your vacation? Then we have Notes, and I think this one would be fun for those of you that love to daily journal. Next we have Hearts. And then we have my favorite one. This one right here is an anchor. I think I'm actually going to create a class with this one. I think this will be a lot of fun to do. Then we have our crosses. This one's perfect for the Bible journaling or your daily devotions. Then we have Family. And then we also just have regular blank pages, which is fun to do too. And like I said, you can just keep it simple. And that is our brand new Clear Scraps mini journal albums. I hope you guys enjoy these. Definitely check out the website at clearscraps.com. Thank you. Have a great day.